こんにちは、Arai です。Today's topic is destination and movement. In just about 5 minutes, you'll be able to talk where you go, come, and go back. This is a part of my online course, Master Speaking Japanese. Please see the description box below for more details. If you want to master speaking, please subscribe and set the bell. You'll gain confidence. You'll learn the essential expressions, practice speaking, and summarize the grammar points. Today, we'll focus on the 3 movement verbs in the introduction and practice. Let's start from this movement. 行きます. The basic use is to move from one place to a destination. To any direction like this image. In a sentence, X は destination に行きます. For example, if you're going to Japan, say 私は日本に行きます. Repeat after me. 私は日本に行きます。私は日本に行きます。Very good. Do you go to Sushiya? Let's say that. Yes? 私は寿司屋に行きます。Well done. As you know, it's better to omit 私は when you talk about yourself. If you forgot this point, check part 1 lesson 5. So say 寿司屋に行きます。Okay, next, this movement. 来ます. The basic use is to move from somewhere else to here where you are now. From any direction like this image. For example, you say, 新井先生はここに来ます. Repeat after me. 新井先生はここに来ます. 新井先生はここに来ます. Good. Now practice. If you're in your usual bar now, you try first. Yes, このバーに来ます. Well done. The last one, movement to one's home. 帰ります. The basic use is to move back to one's home. Like this image. For example, 家に帰ります. Repeat after me. 家に帰ります。家に帰ります。Good. Now practice. My home country is Japan. Make a sentence. Yes, 新井先生は日本に帰ります. Great. Now culture note. If you have been to Japan and you're going to Japan again, can you say 日本に帰ります? Actually, you should say また日本に行きます. So who can say 日本に帰ります? The Japanese people and also the foreigners who have home in Japan. Okay? And in your language, do you have an equivalent of 帰ります? Do you know why? Because Japanese native speakers focus on their origin. So, when you say 新井先生は日本に帰ります, it means that I'm from Japan. But when you say 新井先生は日本に行きます, it means I'm not from Japan. Interesting, isn't it? Next, how to ask and answer questions. Introduction. When you speak to X, call them X-san because san shows respect to the person. Normal sentence is Yes, X さんは会社に行きます. And question? Yes, add か at the end. Remember from part 1 lesson 5? Repeat after me. X さんは会社に行きますか? X さんは会社に行きますか? If yes, はい、行きます. If not, because of coronavirus, say いいえ、行きません. Repeat after me. いいえ、行きません. いいえ、行きません. Now practice. Answer my question. ゲームセンターに行きますか？はい、行きます。or いいえ、行きません。All good? Let's summarize the lesson. What did you learn today? Yes, destination に行きます、来ます、and 帰ります。Also, はい、ます、and いいえ、ません。Fantastic! Good start! Now, do you want to be a better Japanese speaker? Learning Japanese is like learning piano and tennis. The next step is lots of practice. Practice is essential. It's available from masterspeakingjapanese.com. You can try free 31 video lessons and 10 quizzes. In lesson 2, let's use it with time expressions. So don't miss out and please subscribe and set the bell if you haven't. Thank you for learning my language. Let's keep going. Please click like and share if you enjoyed the video. Thank you very much for watching my lesson. I'd love to see you on another video. Bye for now.